Let's make some crockpot carnitas. This is one of my very favorite recipes to make with a pork shoulder, and I'm telling you, everyone goes crazy for it. I'm gonna go ahead and start by seasoning my pork shoulder on both sides with some salt and pepper, and then I sear this in a really hot skillet. Now, even though this is going into a crock pot or a slow cooker, it's really important to sear your protein first for optimal flavor. Once there, just set it aside, and in a measuring cup, I mix together chicken stock, orange juice, lime juice, and I slice lots of garlic. You can also just mince your garlic. Then I add a pinch of oregano, some paprika, a little granulated garlic and onion, some cumin, of course, and give everything a really good mix and set that aside. Now you're gonna take your seared pork shoulder and you're gonna pop that into your crock pot, pour over that broth, drop in a couple of bay leaves, fresh or dried, cover it and let it cook low and slow for about 8 hours or until it falls apart. While that's happening, I make a salsa verde. I start by blistering some tomatillos, onion, garlic, and some jalapeños, and once blistered, they go into a really hot oven for about 15 minutes or so, or until the vegetables kind of slump down, they get jammy, and they cook down. When they're there, you're gonna add everything to a food processor. Make sure you take out the little stem of the jalapeno. I add some fresh cilantro, some chicken powder, chicken bouillon powder. That's my salt, so add that as much as you want. Some lime juice and blitz that together until it looks like that. Then I just pop it into the fridge so that it can sit all day and the flavors get really delicious. Once the pork is ready, take that out. Now you can see the clip here. I have parchment paper on my baking sheet, but I went ahead and shredded it and then took the parchment paper out because I popped this under the broiler for a few seconds just to like blister and crisp up the edges, and I don't like to do that with parchment paper because the parchment does burn. Once that's ready, blister your corn tortillas, and then it's just about plating this up. Now I'm doing this taco style, but you can do this in a bowl with rice and beans and vegetables, and it's just so delicious. But for this particular evening, I just did the pork, the salsa verde, of course, and I did some chopped up onion and cilantro. I also love to add some cheese to this, but it really is totally up to you. You can serve it however your heart desires, but I'm telling you, these are so phenomenal and so delicious. I really highly suggest that you make a huge roast so that you have plenty of leftovers because it tastes even better as it sits. So delicious. I know you will love it. Recipe linked for you down below. I hope that you make it and I hope that you enjoy it. Bye bye.